Hey, I'm Dr. Anastasia Vela. Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're unlocking your metabolic gatekeeper.
Ever wonder why you still get that awful post-meal energy slump, even on a super clean diet?
It's a frustrating blood sugar roller coaster, right? Well, the secret to stopping it is actually deep inside your gut. See, your stomach is basically a war zone. It uses intense gastric acid and bile just to break down food. This artillery fire is brutal. Up to 99.99% of traditional live probiotics are instantly destroyed here. They literally die way before reaching your gut's control tower, so they can't even help you. Enter metabiotics. These are powerful bacterial metabolites that completely bypass all those destructive gastric enzymes. So think of traditional probiotics like vulnerable ground troops, while metabiotics act like highly advanced precision drones. And that perfectly explains the incredible science driving T8 Mobio Plus by Vid25. Because it uses these metabiotics, an amazing 95 to 97% of the active ingredients survive totally intact. Yep, these precision drones reach your colon completely unchanged and ready to do the heavy lifting. Specifically, the Lactobacillus helveticus metafiltrate inside optimizes your carbohydrate metabolism and actively reduces insulin resistance. Once there, it rapidly reduces gastrointestinal inflammation, balances your pH, and supports your own native microflora. It even offers absolute powerhouse support for rapid gut microflora recovery after taking harsh antibiotics. The protocol? Super simple. Just dissolve exactly 5 grams, that's 1 teaspoon, in 30 milliliters of liquid, excluding milk. You'll want to do this 2 to 3 times daily to keep those metabolic drones actively deployed. By finally stabilizing this internal environment, your body unlocks incredible, sustained cellular energy all day long. The big takeaway here, you can absolutely put a stop to that exhausting post-meal energy roller coaster.
It literally all comes down to mastering your metabolic gatekeepers. So, are you ready to take control?